Good morning, everybody, and as you can see, I'm wearing my holiday sweater. It's getting a little chilly here in Fernandina Beach, Florida, and I thought I'd share with you a nice little video for people that are just getting into cycling or are new to cycling, or maybe you're a seasoned veteran and maybe I have something to share with you that you might find cool and intriguing. So I'm going to present to you this video about what you need to know to get into biking and to start a cycling program. So let's get right into it. Okay, let's start off with the road bike, my personal favorite. The road bike will have different hand positions on the hoods, the drops, and even on the top bar. The road bike also is the fastest out of the three that I chose to review. It is the most versatile in that you can go the farthest and the fastest out of any three of them. It also handles the best corners, sprints, and when you're out of the saddle. Next up is the hybrid. Hybrid is between the mountain bike and the road bike. It has a more relaxed positioning, so you're going to be more upright and not be able to get into that power position, but still very effective for training. Very kind on the lower back, probably more comfortable. As you can see here, I am very upright and still getting a great workout out of the saddle. And finally is the mountain bike. The mountain bike will have a front shock. Some will have a shock on the rear triangle. The beefy frame will allow it to be ride over trails, logs, rocks, and even through large patches of grass with ease. Now let's get into the gear. Safety, comfort, and performance. A helmet is vital if you're riding outside. You need to protect your head, and many helmets these days are very light. They protect the back of your head wonderfully with a nice little tightening gauge. Next up is eye protection. Eye protection is simple. Keep the dust, the dirt, the bugs out of your eyes. And let's cover up the hands as well. When you fall off the bike, you might fall on your hands first, high probability. Let's protect them with some nice gloves that will allow you to grip the bike as well. Finally, it's also nice to have a cycling computer. Cycling computer will tell you how far you've ridden, your heart rate, average heart rate, and some even have GPS like this one. Very cool information for you to study your workout training loads. Next up is choose your seat carefully. Some road bikes come with a very thin seat that might be a little bit too hard on your bum to start off. So choose a nice wide seat with a lot of comfort. This is the memory foam seat by Jamis. Has a couple shocks in the back, and as you can see, it's much wider and has more cushion. Safety lights. You can put safety lights on any bike. They're going to alert the cars and have you watch out for them. Also, cycling shorts will have much more padding than your regular shorts. They're meant to be worn while you're biking. Clip-on shoes are another great component. These will allow you to snap in and allow you to pull up on the back part of your pedaling stroke. Also, the clips will allow you to get a little bit more snug in that shoe, not wasting any energy while you're pedaling. Okay, I am over here at Anytime Fitness. I'm gonna go check out their upright bikes and recumbent bikes and show you what I think are some good variables to look at while you're riding an indoor stationary bike. Okay, let's go. Here is the upright bike. As you can see, very upright. Only can go up and down with the seat, and that's basically the only positioning that this is going to give you. It allows you to change the resistance here in the middle, increasing it from 3 to 8 as you see. Upper left hand corner will have your speed, RPMs, and distance, along with a little makeshift calorie counter. If you hold on to the handles on this particular bike, it should show you your heart rate. Here is the recumbent bike. This is good if you have a lower back issue, or maybe you want to read the paper while you're in your Zone 2 ride. Who knows? But this is yet another option for you. A lot of gyms and hotels will have this style bike. And again, you can change the resistance, you can look at your miles per hour, your RPMs, your calories, and your heart rate. A lot of these bikes nowadays will come with a power meter in it, which you will see next with our indoor smart trainer, which is the best choice that I'm going to deliver to you. The indoor smart trainer has a power meter in it. You can put your own bike on it. It's quiet, it's smooth, it packs away easily, and I have one in my house and at the bike shop. You can use a lot of three-party apps that allow you to ride in different parts of the world with different people, and it's very safe and effective. Okay, well there you have it, folks. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to share, subscribe, like, all of that fun stuff. And if you have any questions or comment, drop them below. And keep on riding. It's the best thing you could do for your body, your mind, all of that great stuff, all right? Well, we'll see you in the next video. See ya!